And here I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the peroxide company. The company name is National Peroxide Limited. You can see the long-term chart of the company on the screen. Company basically went to the 6,000 rupees, near 6,000 rupees in 2018, and after that company was falling from that direction. Now slowly this particular price is moving in upward direction, but very slow moving because of some lockdown, coronavirus, or some shutdown in the company. some kind of production improvement happening within the company. So you can see here the long-term chart. Now you can see the delivery of the companies here. So very good. Companies delivery 60%, 50% monthly basis. And when you go into the update here, you can see the companies having paying dividend consistently, 60-65 rupees dividend. When the company was making a very good sales, that time company is paying 65 rupees dividend. Now company paying 12.5 rupees dividend since last 2 years. Very good company, and one of the flagship company of Vadia Group. You can see about this, the long-term chart 5-year return is 150%. Since last 6 months is 118% negative, and last 1 month 10% negative. Okay. Now you can see here the companies, like this is the quarterly sales of the company. Company's sales is now going down in June 2021 because some shutdown in the site and some other lockdown issues. Companies going EBITDA is also negative here in this particular quarter. What is the positive thing here? Companies slowly reducing their interest. You can see on the screen 3 crore to 2.4 crore. Okay. Also you can see PAT is also going negative. Okay, and EPS is also going negative. So overall the company is showing negative, but when you check the annual return, you will see the companies after in 2019 company was doing 402 crore, now it's 215 crore. So slightly you can say slightly improvement from 2020 is 191 crore to 215 crore. Okay, and similarly you can see the EBITDA is slowly also growing since last 2 years, 2020 to 2021, after having all lockdown, capacity enhancement, lot of things company has done. Interest also basically increased last 1 year. So all these things are very minute thing, but when you check this company's different balance sheet, I will show you what is the positive thing for this company. Return on equity is very so. You will see where these are very low, 2.2, 2.3, 1.5. When you go into the particular efficiency ratio here, you will see that the company's efficiency EBITDA margin, you can see, is 26% EBITDA margin. Earlier is 61% margin. Okay, EBIT margin also basically showing 11%, PAT margin 9%, earning per share 36. Book value, see company's book value is also decreasing then increasing. Okay. And then you can see that the company's working capital is also improving, 60 days to 40 days. Okay, dividend payout, very good company. Now you can see this chart, and now then see the balance sheet of the company here. Okay, now one more thing I just wanted to show you, the company's market cap. Right now price is 2,200, the market cap 1,200, very low market cap, but this company is having very good potential. PE showing 107. Why PE showing 107? Because of negative quarter in last year, but the company is also having very good PE. And book value, you can see 1,005 rupees, price to book 2.2. When you go into the website of the company here, Naprol Limited, company is doing in the peroxide, and basically peroxide used in the food industries for making the different thing, and also peroxide used for the sanitizer. Okay, you can read about this is one of the chemical company. Nowadays you can see a lot of chemical companies making business, but this is one of the best company. You can see Vadia Group company. Okay, peroxide manufacture hydrogen peroxide, compressed hydrogen gas, peracetic acid. Okay, and okay, let's see here. And now go after that financial. Yes, So you can see here in the shareholding fund, you can see that company's share capital never change. It's fixed 6 crore. Reserve use is also growing. Okay, non-current liability is showing 216 crore. Very good. Current liability 160. Non-current, you can see one of the positive thing in this particular balance sheet. Companies fixed asset increasing. Long-term investment 746 crore. Loan in advance 187. So overall, you can see the company's non-current asset is 1278, but non-current liability 200 against. So it is very positive sign. Current asset, when you click it, you will see that company is maintaining 7 crore cash, low cash maintained. Okay, and after that you can see that company is maintaining good and healthy asset group. Profit and loss, you can see company's net sales is slowly reducing, but company is maintaining PAT as well. So these companies are hidden gems and nobody will tell you about this company, but you will see, and when you check the fundamental, see promoter holding intact here. So foreign promoter is increasing their position slowly. Okay, and Indian promoter is also basically intact holding. So overall, you can see the promoter is increasing their position. Very good. Public is also holding it. DII also interested, increasing their position. Non-institution also holding intact. Promoter pledge is 0. Very good sign. One of the good company, you can read about the promoter name, who are the promoter, foreign promoter. You can read about Nulsi Wadia Group. Okay, board of director, you can see Nulsi and Wadia, Rajesh Batra. So a lot of people, I think you will see, understand that how good company is this. Mutual fund, Outlook, Edge, Scan. Okay, when you go into the fundamental, you will see improved return on equity, high P, consistent dividend paying company. Very excellent company. But you can check with your advisor before buying any stock. Hope this video helped you to understand the fundamental of